Linking your bank account to Uber Freight is essential for receiving payments efficiently. Follow these steps to set up your bank account with Uber Freight. Step 1. Open the Uber Freight app. Download and install the Uber Freight app on your mobile device. If you already have it, ensure it is updated to the latest version. Step 2. Sign into your account. Launch the app and sign in using your Uber Freight credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Access payment settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the payment or bank account section to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Now you are ready to receive payments through Uber Freight. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section in the app or contact customer support for assistance.